Hi, my name is Brian Smith. In this video we're going to talk about one of the major new features in RHEL 8, which is modules and application streams. Modules allow for multiple versions of applications to be made available for installation on a RHEL 8 system. For example, it gives you the option to pick if you want Postgres 9.6 or Postgres 10. To get started, I'll run yum repo list to show what repositories are set up on this RHEL 8 system. You can see that we have two repositories. Both of these are pointing to a local RHEL DVD media in this example. We have a base OS repository. This is for core RHEL functionality. Think of things like the kernel, bash, glibc, etc. We also have an AppStream repository. This is for application packages and modules. Think of things like Postgres, Node.js, Apache, Perl, etc. Next, we'll talk about modules. If we run yum module list, we can see a list of available modules on this RHEL 8 system. You can see that there are quite a few modules available, and one thing you'll notice is that for some of these modules, like Postgres, there are multiple versions available. In the future, it is possible that additional new versions of applications will be made available as RHEL 8 modules, which would give users more choices in what version they install. One thing to note is that while there are multiple versions of applications available, only one version can be installed on a server or OS instance at a time. For example, we can't install both Postgres 9.6 and 10 on the same server or OS instance. We are going to focus on the Postgres module and the two versions that are available. You can see that we have version 10 and also version 9.6 available. Over on the right, we have two different profiles listed. We have a client profile and a server profile. The profiles determine which packages will be installed as part of the module. We can get more information on the profiles by running yum module info -- profile PostgreSQL. As you can see, for both version 10 and 9.6, the client profile includes the PostgreSQL package, which is the client, and the server profile includes PostgreSQL Server, which is the PostgreSQL Server package. If we run yum module list again, you'll notice that there are some Ds within square brackets. These indicate defaults. If we were to run a yum module install and did not specify a version or profile, it would go with the defaults that are listed, which is version 10 and the server profile. We'll go ahead and try this by running yum module install PostgreSQL, and as you can see, it's going to default to version 10 and the server profile, which includes the PostgreSQL Server package. We're going to go ahead and say no at this point because what we want to do is install the PostgreSQL 9.6 client on this server instead. To do that, we can run a yum module install PostgreSQL :9.6/client. The :9.6 specifies the version that we want to install the module, and the /client specifies the profile we want to install, in this example, the client profile. We'll go ahead and do that, and we'll see that it is going to now install the 9.6 version and the PostgreSQL client. We'll go ahead and say yes here. Once that's installed, we're going to run a yum module list. And you can see that we now have a little E here that indicates that this module stream is enabled, and a little I here that indicates that the client profile is installed. I hope you get a chance to try out modules in RHEL 8. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and have a great day.